Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, I thought it would be fun to just do like, I don't even know what to call it, but like a to-do list vlog. I wrote out a list of things that I want to do today, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me and we can check things off the list together. So let me show you what I wrote down. I kind of have a pretty, I mean, it's not that much stuff. Maybe, I don't know, but it's like stuff that I feel like is going to take a while. So I don't know how this is going to go. We'll see how much I can actually get to in this video. But I've been working on the playroom, taking glue off the walls in there from when I took down the wallpaper. So I have 2 more walls I think that I need to work on. So I'm going to try to work on that a little bit. The fridge doors I need to clean. Like these shelf things in here are pretty nasty. I don't know how they get so dirty. I don't know, but they need a wipe down. I did clean the whole, well, I cleaned like the main section of the fridge a few months ago, but it took me so long. It was so dirty and it just took me like all day long that I didn't even get to do the doors. So yeah, that's still one part that I haven't gotten to yet. So I'll see if I can do that. That one doesn't look that bad. No. Oh, that one's kind of nasty though. So I also really want to put I have 2 little plants, like 2 little vines that I grew out, and they're getting too big for their pots. So I want to put them together into one bigger flower pot that I got. I need to do some spray foam in the hallway. I'll show you that. I need to do a little painting in the playroom so I can hang up curtains in there. The window ledge in the living room is dirty, so I need to clean that. There's a little winter flag that I want to put outside, and of course I have some laundry. So first thing I'm going to do is just get some laundry going. Okay, so I have laundry in there from yesterday apparently that I forgot to put in the dryer. So before I can do any new laundry, I have to wash that again.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile.
Alright, so I'm in the playroom, and what I need to do is just paint that little spot and that little spot. That's just primer right now, but I'm going to paint the wall color that I'm using in here. It's just the same color that I used in the living room. Just because that's where I'm going to hang the curtain rod, and yeah, I just want to have that done so that way I don't have to paint around it later, like the same thing I did in Chase's room the other day, and over here too. Look at that wall. This is crazy, the amount of like paint swatches in this room, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now.
Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I want to kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
Okay, so I got my potting mix I'm gonna use, but it was in the shed and it's kind of like frozen. Like it's pretty cold and it's kind of solid. So I'm gonna let that just like come to room temperature and then I'll do it. But this is one of the little plants that I need to repot, and I actually think I'm gonna trim it and then try to like sprout this in water. That's what I did with these to get it to grow. I like put it in water and it grew roots. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing with another piece of it because I think it's just too long, but it definitely needs a new pot. You can see it trying to grow out the bottom there. So that's one of them, and then I have another one just like that in the playroom. What I'm gonna do right now is just clean off this ledge. I just noticed the other day that it was kind of dusty and just needed to be wiped down. And this is the new pot that I got. I got it at Home Depot. They didn't really have that many to choose from. Some of them were really big, and this was the nicest one that I could find that was like the size that I needed, and I thought it would look cute in the kitchen. That's where I'm gonna put it. But anyway, yeah, this shelf or this ledge or whatever needs to be cleaned off.
I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Okay, so here are my plants. I got my new planter, so I'm gonna try to put both of these into one. I have no idea how to transfer a plant, so I really don't even know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I think I'm gonna cut a little bit, or maybe I'll put them, I don't know. I think I'm gonna cut them a little bit and then put them in.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that.
Okay, well I got both of my vines into here. I don't know if I did that right or not. I don't know if I caused this trauma. Hopefully it'll be okay after this. And I didn't cut anything. I don't know, I'm scared to like do anything else to it today. I kind of want to give it a break. So maybe I'll trim these off a different day, but yeah.
This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight. Oh, babe,
Okay, so it is 8:18 now. I haven't done anything in a while. I haven't really been able to with the kids and everything. Been taking care of them and feeding them a million times. Don't you dare stick a French fry in my video. But no, I just went to bed. I'm about to make myself some dinner. Alright, I'm just gonna make some of this. It comes with 2 packages in one, so I make it and then I have enough for dinner and like 2 lunches after this. So I'm gonna have that, and I actually just make it in the air fryer, so it's really easy. But I got some stuff done on my list, so let me cross off what I got done so far. So the flower pot I did, the painting I did, the window ledge I did, and I did some laundry.
this or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next.
Okay, I had dinner. It was really good, and now I was gonna go in the playroom and do the walls, but I think I'm just gonna do the kitchen door first, because if I don't do it now, I'm just gonna put it off for forever.
Drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. We're drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that.
So I did not realize that these actually came right off the door, so that makes it so much easier. So I'm just gonna wash both of these in the sink with some soapy water, and yeah, that just makes it a lot easier.
This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight. Or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight. Or in bed by night. This or this or this or
Okay, so I finally got this drawer clean, or not drawer, what is this called? Shelf. This shelf is clean. This shelf is clean. I didn't do that one because it didn't even look bad, so I just left it. And then I did these two also, so that's all clean, that's all clean. That one probably needs a clean, but I didn't do that one. Another day.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Okay guys, so it is now 2 days later now. I finished one of the walls in the playroom. That was the last thing that I was doing. And then it was like 10 o'clock at night or something, and I didn't want to pick up the camera and talk because Madison's room was right there and she was sleeping and everything. So I just called it quits for the day. I didn't get to do everything on my list though. I didn't get to put my new flag outside, so I'm gonna try to do that now. And I couldn't do it yesterday either because yesterday it was snowing and it was like sleeting and I just didn't feel like going outside. Today it's not doing anything out, so I'm gonna go outside and try to put that up. Let me show you what I was planning to do in the hallway, and I'm not gonna be able to do this either. Greg just put up this new sheet of drywall, like a half a sheet of drywall. This was where like that hole was in the wall, if you guys remember. There was like a cutout here where something was and then it wasn't anymore, so there was a hole. And we just decided to replace this whole sheet because it was just like a million layers of paint, and yeah. But anyway, we did that, but then when we took the old drywall down, like it made a hole here, so we need to fix that, and we're just gonna use like this spray foam stuff. It's called Great Stuff Big Gap Filler, and you just spray it in and it expands, but you need to use this with a gun. Like there's a gun that you use to spray this. Like I thought I could just take the cap off and spray it, but that's not how it works. So we have the gun because Greg used it one time before in the kitchen, but it needs to be cleaned, and there's like a cleaner that you need to use for the gun, and we don't have the cleaner, so I can't do that right now. So I'm just gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna focus on the playroom, getting the playroom done. But this is my little winter flag that I've been wanting to hang up outside. Just a little snowman. And I have a new garden flag or garden stand. I guess call it a garden stand. It's like a flag holder. Greg's mom bought us this one, and I already had one outside, so I just took this one and put it in the garage. But actually the one that I have outside, I actually lost a flag on it. Like I had a cute flag. I forget what it was on the flag. It was fall. It was like a cute little fall flag, and in the fall it was like windy and the flag just like blew right off the thing. So I think I'm gonna throw that one out, and hopefully like this one will be better and my flags won't blow off. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put this together.
I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this
Okay, well I couldn't get it to go in the ground by the tree. I don't know if it's just like too frozen over there or what, but I ended up just putting it right in the front. So hopefully it won't blow off of here because it's got like this hook around and it'd be pretty hard for it to slip off through there. So yeah. So now I can cross off that I did the flag. And then yeah, spray foam, the only thing I couldn't get to. So I'm feeling good, got some stuff done. I feel like I'm always more productive when I write a list and I like hold myself to it. And especially when I make a video about it, because if I don't do the things, then there's no video. So before I go, let me show you my plant, how it's doing. I think it's doing okay. It doesn't look like it's dying yet. I'm a little bit worried that I might have messed it up when I transferred it, but we'll see. So far, it still looks good, and there's still a little baby leaf here. It's so cute when they first grow and it's all folded up. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all for my next one. Bye.